Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Caribbean J03 and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're doing roasted cabbage. I got a medium-sized head of cabbage and decided to roast it. I usually use it in soup, coleslaw. You know, you can use cabbage in different ways and it's very good for you also. So today I decided I wanted to roast it. And I'm gonna bring you guys with me. And guys, it is a perfect way for your prep meal for the week because you can just add it with everything else that you have pre-prepped already. And it stays well. Hey, kill two birds with one stone, right? So let's go and roast the cabbage, guys. I want to say thanks to all my new subscribers, and for my old subscribers, thank you very much. And if you just came across my channel, I hope you become a part of the family. And don't forget to subscribe. Tap that bell so you don't miss my other video, guys. Anyway, guys, thank you for subscribing, for all my subscribers, the old and the newcomers, and the ones that are about to be subscribing. Thank you. And guys, you can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook across the board. It's Caribbean J03. See you guys in any one of those platforms, guys. Thank you. Okay guys, I'm doing roasted cabbage today. I have one head of cabbage. Okay, I have one head of cabbage here. And the sun just went in. Great. I'm gonna put it in here because it's easier for me to toss it around. And this head of cabbage was a tad bit tight, which means all of the layers, there's a name for it, just can't think about that right now. But anyway guys, and these are all my ingredients that I'm going to use in my roasted cabbage. A little bit of olive oil, and yes, I will be leaving all the measurements and ingredients in the description below. And please don't forget to subscribe, tap that bell so you don't miss the other video. God knows what that will be. Anyway guys, just tap the bell, and subscription is free. Alright, let me put a little bit more olive oil in here. Just a little bit more. Alright, now let's start with the ingredients. All my seasonings and spices and everything in between. And garlic powder, cabbage and bay leaf, guys. Freshly ground bay leaf. That's what I want to say, yes. A little bit of heat. Just a tad, not much. Chicken seasoning. Paprika. A little bit of color. And that flavor. If you have smoked paprika, go for it. Now we're gonna toss this together. Okay guys, for my vegan followers, remember you can always substitute the chicken seasoning with the vegetable seasoning. That look good. Let me get my sheet pan. Okay. I put a little bit of olive oil on the sheet pan. Okay guys, this will store very well in the fridge and in the freezer. You can separate some, like I hope I will be doing, and put some in the freezer for the one of those days, you know, we have those days when we don't feel like doing anything. So go for the prep meal out of the freezer. Yeah, this will do one of those. Oh, don't worry guys. Okay. And I put two sheet pans. Okay. And they're ready to go into the oven. See you guys in a little bit. Okay guys. Okay, just took this out of the oven, and now I'm gonna toss them and then put it back in the oven. Oh, I wish you guys could smell it. I can't wait to taste it. Oh guys, if you guys meal prep for the week, oh, this is a good one right here guys to add on. I'm gonna put it back in the oven and try to put that piece. You see that piece that is brown up there? Yeah. Put it back in the oven, guys. Oh, guys, look at the cabbage. Yes. This is perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Oh my God. My mother would enjoy this. Oh, my sister and my mother would definitely, my sister would definitely enjoy this. For sure. Because she's kind of picky. But I know she would enjoy this. I'll put a light on so you guys can see. Okay guys, you can have this with some pasta, noodles, rice, and some potatoes. This week I'm having it with some pasta. Yes. Okay guys, this is the other pan, the other sheet pan with the rest of the cabbage. That's the oven. Oh yeah. Yep, this is good. This is done. Okay guys, you can have this with only a protein, a piece of chicken, a piece of fish, or add it with some ground beef. Yeah. Okay guys, my roasted cabbage is done. Okay guys, the roasted cabbage came out so good. I can't wait to add it to my meal prep for this week, as part of my meal prep for this week. OMG. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Tap that bell so you don't miss the other video. No, you don't want to miss the other video guys. Stay safe and God bless you guys.